Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I transfer money to Trust Wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To transfer money into your Trust Wallet, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Trust Wallet and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the search icon on the top right corner of the screen and then choose the crypto you want to receive. Let me just select Bitcoin right here, and then once done, what you need to do is simply tap on the receipt on the bottom of your screen. Then you can just simply send the QR code to the wallet from where you are receiving, or you can just simply copy the address. Then once done, you'll see here. Then once done, what you need to do is from your other wallet or exchange account to send or withdraw, then paste the copied Trust Wallet address and then enter the amount and make sure the network matches and simply tap on confirm and send it. Crypto transfer need blockchain confirmations. Depending on the coin and network, it might take seconds to minute or longer. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.